We got my boy Chad, brother. It's a special guest right here, man. We've been trying to do this for a while. So my boy Chad, man, you know, obviously from the title, you guys can tell we're going to learn some ASL. And my guy right here, Chad, has been going crazy right now. He's been going crazy. If you guys don't know who he is, man, obviously you'll see it down the link in the description. But Chad, man, let us know a little bit about yourself, bro. You feel me? You know, how your story has been, bro. You know, you being deaf and learning ASL, stuff like that, bro. Let us know a little bit about yourself.
So y'all don't know who I am Chad. Born and raised in Los Angeles. Lost my hearing at birth. Started wearing hearing aids at the age of 3. I didn't learn sign language until I was 19 when I went to college in D.C. Holiday University. It's the only deaf university in the world. 19, bro? I would have thought you've been learning this, bro. Nah, bro.
Damn.
You never seen me signing in school.
Crazy.
So
no, that's true. That's true. I ain't gonna lie. I definitely thought about it. I'm like, I did never see you sign into school. That's facts, bro.
Bro wasn't gangbanging or nothing. He was just doing.
I know how you over there throwing up signs like, yeah, bro, blood and crib. You feel me? Nah, but like, I ain't gonna lie though. Nah, facts.
We not affiliated.
We don't gangbang around here. How long did it take you to learn sign language, bro? Was it difficult?
Honestly, when I first learned, I didn't take it seriously. I had to take it seriously because I had to learn how to communicate with my teammates, my teacher, my classmates. So, like, I had to really be on top of it. Even your teacher, obviously, she's going to speak, but, like, she forced you guys to really learn. Oh, yeah, most definitely. She, like, really encouraging.
Bro.
Naisha Washington, if you're watching, what's up? Do you get hate, bro, like, being in the deaf community? Is there other people that are deaf maybe that hate you, bro, or, like, you know, they kind of just give you hate? Like, what is that like, bro? Honestly, at first, I didn't understand it because I was new of blowing up, so I didn't know how to react to it, like, take all this hate and information from other people. So as time go by, it's just like the hate gonna be there. Like, if they're not hating on you, then you're not doing something right. So that's a fact. Learn to adapt to it and then just keep going because everyone have an opinion. So I just have to keep grinding and just doing what I do.
How do you elaborate yourself in a corporate meeting? You know what I'm saying? Let's say you have to represent yourself and sell yourself in a more business aspect. How do you go about that?
First and foremost, like, I'm hard of hearing, so you have to be crystal clear, and I read lips, so just be patient so I can understand what you're telling me, so I can get all the information correctly and know how to respond to you in an appropriate manner, you know. So let's get into this segment, bro. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start with our ABCs, bro. So you know, you're gonna just teach us, we'll follow along. You feel me? Be A right regular. Here. Okay. B. C. Like a C. All right, all right.
Correct. Oh, sorry.
D like this.
So like D.
Then you got E like this.
Damn, that kind of looks like a C, bro. You know, that's kind of hard. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like the E just makes sure you all the way in the thumb. Yeah, I got fat thumbs though, bro. It's a little hard.
Yeah, no, you got diabetic thumbs.
You'll get it. That's crazy.
You got F.
Oh, John Cena. Got it.
F-U.
F-U. Ah, I got it.
Okay.
He was speaking sign language to me the whole time. Dang.
You got G.
So you do it like this, not like this?
No.
Damn, Krusty like got a small. No,
you know what I'm saying? Like,
you got H.
Let me see that.
H. Two fingers.
Oh, just 2 fingers? H? Oh, okay.
Yeah, bro, 2 fingers. Sense. You know what it is.
He's second of mine. Yeah. Bro, he on
that's how I know you haven't seen the other videos I've done with this food.
Yeah. We got I next.
You got I.
Okay. Perfect. Just a pinky.
Wait.
Pinky.
Oh, shit. Wait, hold on.
Bro said bullshit.
I don't know why I can't close my freaking finger. There you go.
Then you got J, just inside.
J. Oh, you just went like that. So I, J. Okay.
Bro,
I know he be on the sick one, bro. He be on the sick one.
Mine is someplace else always. I got K.
K. Oh, bro, that's perfect actually. Now that I think about it, I'm gonna start doing this, bro. I'm gonna start doing this for Krusty. K.
L.
Yep. Normal L.
L. You got M.
Okay, that's gonna be hard.
Gonna get a little harder. Thumb is between your pinky and your forefinger.
I feel like it's more of a workout more than anything because I'm over here like.
Fuck yeah, bro. Hold on, and then bro. Like this.
So
M.
And then
I feel like I'm like a cramp in my freaking inner hand.
Yeah. Then you got N. It's gonna go right under your third and your fourth.
Oh, right here. Okay,
so just
like
think
this.
So think of M and N, just like.
Oh, okay. M.
Yeah.
There you go.
And N.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Interesting.
And you got O like this.
O. That's regular.
So you got P. P is just like K.
All right. That's P.
Yeah.
And you got Q. But when you do Q, it's just like G. It's like G, but Q goes straight down.
Oh, okay.
That makes sense. All right, I can't lie. It's not too difficult.
It's not too difficult, but
just
you
learning
gotta, like,
it.
practice, and you'll get
practice, yeah.
And you got R, cross your fingers.
R,
right over your left. And then you got S,
S, completely just close finger.
Straight, yeah, like you're making a knuckle, like you're making a fist.
Black Lives
S.
Matter, baby.
And then T between your second and your third
Right here,
finger.
T.
U, like H, but up. U. V, it's like this. Like you're throwing a peace sign. Peace. W.
W is 3.
Like 3.
Okay, yep,
Oh,
I can
so
see that.
just
Like
like
3.
that, okay.
Simple.
And you got X, like a hook. Like a hook.
Oh, yeah, I got it. There
X.
you go.
Like, like this, bro.
Hey,
Oh,
my
shit.
boy, you
Look
over
at it,
there.
like, you throwing what?
I'm throwing the ones up and everything. My bad.
X. Got Y.
Y, like hook 'em horns or something, you know, hook 'em longhorns, something like that.
Like long ones. Y, and then Z, just spell out Z.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Why is it a
okay.
Z? Just spell it out. Just like
That's
that.
Yeah.
probably just because it's easier. Remembering all that is definitely not easy.
Yeah.
So, like everyone has their own A through Z finger spelling.
Yeah.
So
Like
not
different
all
languages
countries
and
are the
stuff
same.
too.
No.
Let's say we walking up to a baddie, bruh. How you gonna get at her?
So it's a hearing girl or it's a deaf girl?
All right, let's do a death girl. Yeah.
You beautiful. What's your name?
Ooh,
And then
hold on. Ooh.
She give me her name. I'm gonna just say my name. Oh, I thought you were beautiful. I wanna.
You wanna? Come on, bro. We all know what you want to
Oh,
say.
you wanna?
bro.
Oh, that's
yeah. We
that's
get it
what the
free.
question
Oh, you
is.
wanna
like-
fuck?
Yeah,
Oh,
you say you want to fuck, right? So how'd you do that? How'd you
fuck?
do?
You wanna fuck?
Oh, so you put the finger
Oh,
like this?
so it's not this.
I mean, everybody.
That's the universal language.
2P. Fuck. Or you could say fuck.
Does this just mean fuck, or does it mean do you want to fuck?
Like wanna fuck? Like.
Oh wow.
Oh, because you hitting two
wanna-
things
wanna-
together. Yeah, I kinda
Yeah,
get
because
that.
you know, like the alphabets is one thing, but like the sentences is what throws me off. You
Yeah.
know? Any of y'all out
Fuck.
there, you know, any Krusty Vlogs fans
Wanna
out
go
there?
on a date?
Feel me?
This motherfucker.
Wanna go out to lunch?
Y'all, you know,
Dinner?
y'all want him? Y'all want to? You feel me? Let us know down in the comments. Is there an N word in sign language?
there is, bro.
Now we're not gonna say it, or I mean, I don't know. Technically,
Would it be offensive?
Would it be offensive if we did it as a sign language? You know, upon saying it, not the hard R, just the N word.
The N, the NA. Okay.
How would you do it?
Why would you even think the ER?
Because you never know what he's thinking.
That's true. Yeah.
Okay. So, finger like this, TNO.
That's the N word, guys. I don't encourage nobody to go and do that to anybody unless you're racist. Then I can't do nothing about that.
Yeah,
You
y'all
feel me?
gonna get your ass beat.
You feel me? How would you say sock check?
So sock check,
Okay, so sock,
sock. Yeah, like sock.
So sock.
sock.
Socks check.
Okay, let's
So
get it going.
sock check.
Where's it at?
All right, cool. So I got the sock check right here.
Get the
We're gonna-
sock check.
So we're gonna. Let's see his socks, bro.
He's a
Oh,
down ass fool.
is he? What does it say?
He's at down. He's at down, bro.
Oh, my boy. Hey, so how would we say down ass food?
So I pass.
You pass, exactly.
You
You
pass,
pass.
you
So
pass.
how would you
I
say
pass.
down ass food? How would you say I'm a down ass food?
I'm a down ass fool.
How would you say food? Not food, like food. FOO.
Fool.
Fool.
Wait, do that again.
F
Huh?
O O.
Oh.
Oh, hey,
Oh,
hold up.
F-O.
Down,
Hey, it's
ass.
weird. It's weird because I'm
down
not. You,
ass.
You're not used to that, huh? That's the hood
Hey,
language right there, bro.
this
Hey,
down ass food. You heard
Y'all
that,
seeing
bro?
it right
down
here, bro.
ass fool.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. That's hard. That's hard. I ain't gonna lie. That's a good little segment.
feel me?
Bro. Yeah, I
Yes,
like that,
sir.
bro. You a down ass fool, my boy.
He down ass fool. He felt
All right.
good.
How would you call somebody a
Like
bitch?
Krusty's a slut, you know?
Yeah, how would you call somebody a bitch?
Let it be.
Uh-huh.
To your chin. Bitch.
No, look.
No, you
look,
gotta-
look. Your chin, bro.
bitch.
Bitch.
I gotta really hit it.
Yeah.
Yeah, just one time. Bitch. You a bitch.
Yeah, you.
You can say fuck you.
Okay.
Yeah, that one I knew about. Yeah, the
Like
fucking-
this?
Fuck you.
Yeah, like
Okay.
Fuck you, bitch.
How you say stupid?
Stupid.
Stupid. Oh, I'm about to do this shit. Hey, because I know DK Metcalf was doing all that shit. I'm about to do this to my parents. I've never seen, a deaf person fight, bruh. So we're gonna have to square up. What you gonna tell me, bruh? Like, you gonna fight me? You gonna check me, or you gonna tell me some shit, bruh? First, I want you to do it, and then we're gonna guess what you say.
I'm gonna take my hearing aids off, and then
Oh shit! What you think? Do that one more time, bruh. I can't tell if he said you want to fight me.
I'm pretty sure. You sure you want to fight me?
Oh, I'm gonna beat your ass, or yeah, I'm gonna beat your ass.
I said, "What's up? Try me."
Oh shit! Okay, my boy. I beat
Your
yo
ASS.
ASS. Oh, okay.
ASS. Okay.
Gotcha.
Ass. I'm gonna beat your ass.
Oh,
God.
hey, bro. I ain't gonna,
Oh,
God.
God.
Stand on business, bro. You feel me?
Bro said it on BD. Damn.
Hopefully in the future, man, if you guys want him to teach us some more, if you guys, maybe we could go through the comments and we'll read them through and maybe do that as a video, man. Let us know down below. But if you guys want to go check out Chad, man, he's popping off on TikTok, on Instagram. We just got to get him on YouTube, man. That's all it is. Hey, man, like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I appreciate you guys, for tuning in. And I appreciate you, Chad, for teaching us a little bit. Coffee and subscribe, right? Yep.
Love y'all, man.
Hey, man, much love, bro. We love you guys so much, man. Appreciate that, Chad, again, bro. Appreciate that, Prodigy, man. Much love, man. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Ain't much else to say from America and the whole entire world. Your boy, Prodigy, Chad, and Krusty Vlogs. Ow!